In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed in Affinity Designer. If you're preparing artwork for print, adding bleed is essential. Bleed is a small, extra margin that extends your artwork beyond the final trim edge. So if the paper shifts slightly during cutting, you won't end up with unwanted white edges. Most printers ask for 0.125 inch or 3 millimeters of bleed, but always confirm the exact amount with your print provider. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and load the document you're working on. You can do this with a new file or an existing project. The process is the same. Once your document is open, look to the top of the interface for the main menus and click the document menu. Depending on the version you're using, this may appear as a dedicated document option at the top. The wording can vary slightly across updates, but you're in the right place if you see options related to your canvas and layout. From there, click Setup. This will take you into the configuration area for your current file. Next, click Document Setup. This opens a panel that controls core settings like page size, orientation, margins, and, most importantly for today, bleed. In the Document Setup panel, scroll down until you see the bleed section. It may be collapsed, so keep an eye out for a label or a small chevron you can expand. Once you find it, enable bleed. Turning this on activates the bleed fields for the top, bottom, left, and right edges. If your printer hasn't specified otherwise, enter 0.125 in inches or 3 mm in metric. You can keep the values linked so all sides match, which is standard for most print jobs. After enabling and setting the bleed, click OK to confirm. You'll now see a bleed guide around your canvas, usually shown as a colored outline just outside the page boundary. Extend any background colors, images, or shapes that should go to the edge of the page all the way out to that bleed line. Keep important text and logos inside your margins to avoid them being trimmed. A quick tip: when you export for print later, make sure you include bleed in your export settings so the PDF contains those extra edges. That way, your printer gets exactly what they need. And that's it. You've successfully added bleed in Affinity Designer, ensuring your design prints cleanly with edge-to-edge color and no unexpected white slivers.